Today is the day. Let me explain. 2 years ago, I hit what felt like my lowest point in life. I parted ways with a partner with whom I was certain I was going to marry. A 6.5-year relationship that I made my purpose to nurture felt like it had been for nothing. I'd focused most of my energy in serving something and someone else, and in that process, suppressed a lot of what was important to me. Honestly, I couldn't see the light at the end of the tunnel for a while. The days were a haze, and actions really were futile. I did start to turn a corner after some months with professional help, and it was through that help that I was able to turn inward and sort of face myself head on. I made a commitment to myself that I would plant new seeds in old passions. I began to write my own music for the first time. I explored film photography after having been a digital native. I spent time outdoors again.
I did make one mistake, and that was not bringing any water.
And most importantly, I placed one foot in front of the other. And I did it for me. But the one thing I haven't done yet is start this channel. You know, having this place where I could express myself creatively and maybe share some of my experiences, and you know, maybe someone resonates with that, someone doesn't resonate with it. That kind of thing has been on my mind for at least the last 10 years. I always said I'll do it when I'm ready, or I'll do it when the skills are up to my standards, or you know, imposter syndrome's a pain in the butt, and there's just a lot of factors that, you know, that really try to wear you down. And what it's taken is a little bit of a creative lull in my life, as well as one in my freelance business, to finally say, it's enough, you know, it's time to do this thing. But I think the turning point was 2 years ago during that breakup, when I found a moment of clarity. It was a fall morning in October of 2021, and I needed to clear my head. So I took some time to get fresh air at a nearby park. I sat down at a park bench to do some breathing and gather my thoughts. And that was when I saw it. Do it for yourself. You know, I think my whole life I've been kind of overly conscious about what people think about me, the way I dress, the way I speak, what I do, and you know, who I wanted to be was just, it was someone I was scared of, I think. And even though I'm kind of just starting out by putting myself in the front of a camera rather than being behind the camera, I think I'm okay with that. This was the place and the time where I said, fuck it, life is too short, and you should chase after what you want to do in this life, get after it, and have fun. You know, I'm uncomfortable, nothing wrong with a little discomfort, but it helps that no one's really at this park right now. You know, this bench has since been painted over, but I think do it for yourself. That message is gonna stick around with me for my entire life. I might even get a tattoo. Now, all this isn't to say that you should stop doing things for other people. Life is too short, and it's nice to be warm, and you should be considerate to others and have those qualities. However, I believe that loving yourself and doing things in service of you is of equal importance, if not more important. Dust off your camera, pick up your brush, whatever it is, plant the seeds and tend to them. Easier said than done, but if you put that first step forward, I think you'll thank yourself for it. I'm still learning how to do this every single day, but I think any step forward is probably one that's in the right direction, and it's bound to be fruitful. So anyway, my name is Sean, and if you've watched this far, just know that it means so much more than my words can even express. I'll see you again soon.